What is up, guys? Today we're going to be solving a Rubik's Cube in just 2 simple moves. So here are the moves. You can start with any side on this, any color, but I like the color blue, so I'm going to start with blue. So first, what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to go left and then down. So again, left, down. Left, down, left, down, and just keep doing this, guys, till like you get used to it, and then you'll be like the pro at it. So, ready? I'm just gonna do it. But again, I'm not the pro at this, so don't judge me, guys. This could take up to like probably 1 minute if you're fast. If you're like a little slower, take up to 2, 3 at it. It will have to be solved at first. Yes, it does. And there we go, solved Rubik's Cube. So, hope you guys like this video, like it up, and subscribe.